We have a deflector. We have 4 benches. We have 2 free tables we got at Facebook Marketplace. We have a big porch out of concrete. None of that fancy stuff that Linda Vader does with rocks and stepping stones. We have our own wood pile that we made. We have another wood pile that we got. That's cherry over there. I wanted to find somebody who would make bowls. And there's Bob's Christmas present, groundwork. It's not a gorilla, it's a groundwork. And beside it is a tree called a chaseberry. And beside that is another tree called red maple. And I want Bob to plant it soon behind the fence. And then we've got a maple tree over there and a maple tree over here. And a southern magnolia, and the tulip poplars have already lost most of their leaves, and the gum trees, nope, they still have probably at least 40 or 50% of their leaves, and in the sunlight it's really beautiful. Anything you want to add, Bob?
Nope, it's been a great day.
What else?
Can you turn that bright light out? You asked.